Hey everyone! We saw your comments about the Antonov that was featured in the background of the photo of our crew. To answer your questions, here's a closer look. The Antonov An-2, Russian nickname Annushka, U.S. Air Force, Department of Defense, reporting name Type 22, NATO reporting name Colt, is a Soviet mass-produced single-engine biplane that began production in 1946 and ended production in 2001. In addition to its home factory in the Soviet Union, the plane has seen production runs in the Ukraine, Poland, and China. Its remarkable durability, high lifting power, and ability to take off and land on poor runways have given it a long service life. Just a few variants of the aircraft include those for utility, agricultural, and scientific use, as well as lightly armed combat versions for dropping paratroops. According to the museumoflight.org, the An-2 is the largest single-engine biplane ever produced. All versions of the An-2 are powered by the 1,010 horsepower 9-cylinder Spetsov Ash-62 radial engine, which was developed from the Wright R-1820. This particular An-2 Colt variant was used in the Polish Armed Forces. Its journey to the United States began in Germany at a former German Army aviation base. The slow-flying plane made stops in Iceland, Greenland, Goose Bay, Canada, and finally to New York. The epic flight was captured by a videographer from D-Max, the Discovery Channel in Germany. After much-needed repairs, the crew left for Virginia, then Cincinnati, and then Farmington, Ohio for even more repairs. The Colt eventually landed at the Sparta Municipal Airport in Sparta, Tennessee, and now currently resides at the Crossville Memorial Airport in Crossville, Tennessee, home of Tradeaplane.